1 2 3 বলবো। সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, তোমরা যারা বাড়িতে বসে অনলাইন ক্লাস উপভোগ করছো, তোমাদেরকে অভিনন্দন জানাই, তোমাদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। আশা করি তোমরা এই অনলাইন ক্লাস নিয়মিত উপভোগ করে অবশ্যই এর ফল পাবে। তো যাই হোক, আজকে আমি তোমাদের সাথে থাকছি ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্রের যে টপিক ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে, লেসন 3 পেজ নাম্বার 33। লেটস গো টু দ্য পেজ নাম্বার 33, লেসন 3 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে। Dear students, dear 9 and class 10, you know that every nation must have some glorious days. We are Bangalis, we are the people of Bangladesh, so we have also some importance day, red letter day. This is International Mother Language Day. You know that 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. On this day, we go out and we get up very early in the morning and we go out with barefooted. So we observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. The day is a national holiday. Dear students, on this day we pay tribute to the martyrs. We pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. Those who sacrificed their lives, we always respect them. Dear students, so the struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. You know that on this day we go out with the wreath of flowers and the Shahid Minar is covered. The Shahid Minar is covered with flowers. Students come to the Shahid Minar with barefooted and they arrange rallies with their teachers. So I have a question to you. This question is, what is 21st February? It is an easy question. What is 21st February? There is no problem to answer the questions. From the topics, you should help the textbooks, page number 33, lesson 3, International Mother Language Day. My question is, what is 21st February? So 21st February is International Mother Language Day. 21st February is an International Mother Language Day. And we can also say that 21st February is a memorable day. And also said that 21st February is a red letter day. It is okay? Next, the seed of the language movement was sown on 21 March 1948. When Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. He said that Urdu would be only state language of Pakistan. But the students protested these topics, this language. So the declaration raised a storm. The declaration raised a storm. When Muhammad Ali Jinnah told this line, the students raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. And all the Bangalis fought against this program. So we know that 21st February is our International Mother Language Day. We have also some another red letter day, such as 26 March, 16 December. So today's topic is International Mother Language Day. My next question is, dear students, follow my blackboards, follow my whiteboards. Next questions, why do we get up very early in the morning? কেন আমরা এই দিনে খুব সকালে উঠি? On this day, why do we get up very early in the morning on this day? You know that when the freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. We get up very early in the morning because our freedom fighters fought against this declaration. So we get up very early in the morning. Dear students, the students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Shafiq and Jabbar. Killed Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Shafiq and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. Not Urdu. Only Bangla will be the state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. Independence movement of Bangladesh. My next questions. It is my question number 3. Why did the martyrs fight? Why did the martyrs fight against Pakistan? Why did the martyrs fight against Pakistan? The martyrs fought against Pakistan because they occupied our mother tongue. They occupied our mother tongue. So the martyrs fight against Pakistan. Dear students, you know that only the martyrs laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. So you have to fill in the gap. You have to fill the gap to read the passage and next read out it. February is a dash. 21st February is a dash in our dash life. You have to follow it. 21st February is a dash in our dash life. So next time you have to follow the reading text and answer the gap. 21st February is a red letter day in our dash life, in our national life. So, dear students, next gap. Next line, on this day we dash very early in the morning. So you have to fill the gap. On this day we get up. We get up very early in the morning. Next sentence. Dear students, next sentence, the Shahid Minar is dash with flowers. So you have to write the Shahid Minar is covered. The Shahid Minar is covered with flowers on this day. The Shahid Minar is covered with flowers on this day. Next sentence. Next sentence, people dash and sacrificed their lives. Sacrificed their lives. People dash and sacrificed their lives. People fought and sacrificed their lives. So there are 5 gaps. 21st February is a memorable day or red letter day in our dash life, in our national life. On this day, we dash very early in the morning. We get up very early in the morning. The Shahid Minar is dash with flowers. The Shahid Minar is covered. The Shahid Minar is covered with flowers. Our people dash and sacrificed their lives. Our people fought and sacrificed their lives. Dear students, you know that 21st February is observed as Shahid Divas. 21st February is observed as Shahid Divas every year throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. The commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the supreme sacrifice of our language martyrs. People wear black badges on this day. People wear black badges and they go out with barefooted on this day and go to the Shahid Minar in barefoot processions, singing morning songs. Amar Bhai Rokte Ragano 21 February. This song is Amar Bhai Rokte Ragano 21 February. They place wreaths at the minar and the minar is covered with flowers. Many of them visit the graves of the martyrs. আমাদের তাদের অনেকেই কি করে তাদের অনেকেই শহীদদের কবরে যায়। এই দিনে তারা শহীদদের কবরে যায়। এই আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস অনুষ্ঠানে অনেকেই শহীদদের কবরে যায়। কোথায় যায়? অ্যাট আজিমপুর গ্রেভইয়ার্ড, আজিমপুর কবরস্থান ইন ঢাকা, অ্যান্ড প্রে ফর দেম, এবং তারা কি করে? তাদের জন্য প্রার্থনা করে, তাদের আত্মার জন্য, তাদের আত্মার শান্তি কামনার জন্য প্রার্থনা করে। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, you know that they also attend various programs organized in remembrance of the language martyrs. Those who sacrificed their lives on this day are called martyrs. The UNESCO on 17 November in 1999 proclaimed February 21st as the International Mother Language Day in recognition of the sacrifices of the martyrs for the rightful place of Bangla. Rightful place of Bangla. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. So we have to know that 21st February is our International Mother Language Day. On this day we go out to the Shohid Minar and we take different kinds of wreath of flowers. And on this day, the Shohid Minar is covered with flowers. So we have to find out some answer to the topics. Why is 21st February called Shohid Divas? Why is 21st February called Shohid Divas? It is of course Shohid Divas because on this day our martyrs sacrificed their lives to acquire our mother tongue. Next question, why do people go to the Shohid Minar? Why do people go to the Shohid Minar? কেন মানুষ এই দিনে শহীদ মিনারে যায়? মানুষ এই দিনে কেন শহীদ মিনারে যায়? People go to the Shohid Minar because they remember our martyrs. They remember our martyrs. এই দিনে মানুষ শহীদ মিনারে যায় কারণ তারা শহীদদেরকে স্মরণ করে। শহীদদেরকে স্মরণ করার জন্যই তারা শহীদ মিনারে যায়। So we can say that people go to the Shohid Minar to remember the martyrs. How do they go there? Next question, how do they go there? তারা কিভাবে যায়? They go to the Shohid Minar with barefooted and wear black badges. They go to the Shohid Minar with barefooted and wear black badges. তারা কালো ব্যাজ পরিধান করে এবং খালি পায়ে তারা শহীদ মিনারের দিকে যায়। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন, হোয়াই ইজ 21st February now observed throughout the world every year? Throughout the world every year. It is not only Martyrs' Day, it is called International Mother Language Day. Dear students, let's go to the page number 36. Let's go to the page number 36. Section E. Complete the passage with suitable words. On 21st February 1952 was shed at a place between Dhaka Medical College and Dhaka University dash to establish Bangla as a state dash of Pakistan. Bangla as a state dash of Pakistan. all subsequent movements, dash struggles for independence had their origin in the heroic language. Shahid Minar is the dash of the supreme sacrifice, dash the mother tongues. Dash the mother tongues. So, dear students, you know that 21st February is our International Mother Language Day. Now, you have to write column A, B and C. Next day, এর পরবর্তী ক্লাসে আমি দেখাবো কিভাবে এই চ্যাপ্টার থেকে এই ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে টপিকস থেকে কিভাবে কলাম এ বি সি করা যায়। তো ঠিক আছে, তাহলে সুপ্রিয় নবম ও দশম শ্রেণীর শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, এতক্ষণ আমি ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্রের লেসন 3 পেজ নাম্বার 33 টপিকস ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে নিয়ে আলোচনা করলাম। আগামীতে আবার দেখা হবে, আবার কথা হবে। তোমরা বাড়িতে থেকেও, বাইরে গেলে অবশ্যই মাস্ক ব্যবহার করবে। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আজকের ক্লাস এখানে শেষ করছি। আগামীতে আবার দেখা হবে। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। শেষ করে দিয়েছি না, কাটিনি, কাটো।